In this video, I'm going to show you how to set units to meters in AutoCAD. Start by typing UN in the command line and press Enter to open the Drawing Units dialog box. In the Insertion Scale section, select Meters from the drop-down menu. Click OK to apply the changes and update your drawing units. This ensures that new objects and inserted files use meters as the measurement standard. Keep in mind that changing units does not automatically resize existing geometry. If your drawing was created in a different unit, you may need to use the Scale command to adjust it correctly. Setting units properly from the start helps maintain accuracy and prevents measurement issues later in the project. It also makes collaboration easier when working with architects, engineers, or surveyors using metric standards. Before starting a new project, always verify the unit settings to avoid scaling problems later. A quick check at the beginning can save significant time and prevent costly drafting errors. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.